At Wagner Subaru, it's our people that make your service experience. We will let you know what is needed and always help you prioritize what is important.
Whether you need an express oil change or a 60,000-mile service, once you have the Wagner experience, you'll never go anywhere else.
We are an award-winning service department with 3 senior master technicians. And of course, we have everything the other dealerships have.
At Wagner Subaru, you get personalization and a conscience from all of our service department staff. But don't take our word for it.
The service department at Wagner Subaru, I'm always very excited to recommend it to a friend. They always come back and they're very happy. They're like, hey, they greeted me with a smile at the door. They got my car fixed, and you know what? I left with a smile on my face. I've been coming here for 20 years. They've never let me down. I may have 99 cares, but my car ain't one of them.
You can't buy that type of happy customer with gourmet coffee and snack bars.
At Wagner Subaru, we promise to give your car the attention to detail that you deserve. Feel free to schedule your appointment at wagnersubaru.com or call us at 937-878-2171 extension 2.
Wagner Subaru, love the experience.